Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
How to introduce your little one to potatoes. Little ones grow up fast. Before you know it, they are ready to eat solid foods and try out new things. Experienced mothers will often tell you to feed your little one potatoes when weaning them. Potatoes are one of the safest vegetables to introduce to your child. Boiled potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates and complex proteins. Potatoes contain the following nutrients: vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, sodium, zinc. Health benefits of potatoes for babies. 1. Promotes gastrointestinal health in babies. 2. Lowers chances of infection by boosting antioxidants which help fight diseases. 3. Rich in nutrients that help nourish your baby's skin. Things to remember when feeding babies potatoes. 1. Clean and peel the potatoes carefully. 2. Start with small quantities of boiled and mashed potatoes. Do not overfeed your baby. 3. Include steamed or baked potatoes in your baby's diet, as this method of cooking helps retain the essential nutrients. 4. Avoid frying the potatoes, as it takes away all the good nutrients. Ways you can cook potatoes for your little one. 1. Potato puree. Ingredients: 2 to 3 potatoes and water. Method: 1. Wash and peel the potatoes. Cut them into small chunks. 2. Steam the potatoes. If required, add some more water. 3. Puree the steamed potatoes, soft and mashable, in the mixer to your desired consistency. Add the leftover water if required. Your baby's potato puree is ready. 2. Potato and beetroot puree. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized potato, 1 medium-sized beetroot. Method: 1. Thoroughly wash and peel the potato and the beetroot and cut them into small chunks. 2. Pressure cook the chopped vegetables, 2 to 3 whistles. 3. Mash the vegetables in a mixer or blender. 4. Add water if required to make a smooth paste. 5. Allow the puree to cool completely before feeding your baby. Potatoes are generally one of the first foods of babies. Bear in mind that you do not feed him in excess, as it could lead to medical and weight issues.